Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. These are some earbuds that I bought off Amazon, and I'm going to review them. I use a lot of earbuds. I'm always trying new ones. I go to the gym every day and I like to listen to music while I'm working out. So they're going to have to be sweat resistant because when I go to the gym and I work out, I sweat. And I like them to last at least, I would say 3 or 4 hours. I do long workouts, and the other thing I appreciate is lightweight. Now, these are wireless. I have other wireless earbuds, but they have a wire that connects in between the left side and the right side, but nothing that goes to the smartphone. These are 100% wireless. Nothing connects them. This is a cable for charging. This is a charging case, so you plug this in, USB, and charge up the battery in here, and then the battery in here charges the batteries in there, in the earbuds. You can see them blinking now. So I'm going to charge it up, and I'm going to have a look in the owner's manual. It comes with different sizes of seals for your ear. The dome, I call them a dome, that goes in your ear. And then I'll try them out with my phone, pair it up, and we'll see how they sound. Okay? While this is charging up, I'll show you the owner's manual. It's nice. This set of earbuds has a lot of features. And what I was interested in was the run time. It says playtime, 3.5 hours, so that's good enough. I have other ones that go a little longer, but those are the ones that have a wire that goes from left to right, which I never really liked the feel of it on the back of my neck. The charging case charging time is 3.5 to 4 hours. And these will recharge, I guess, if you stick them in the case in about 60 minutes. So if your workout goes longer than 3.5 hours, like say you're out for a long run or something, you will have to use something else after 3.5 hours. There's some milliamp hours on the batteries. The lights that tell you how the charging is going on. How you put them on is pretty obvious. Here's controls. I'm not going to go through all the controls. You can answer your calls and listen to music. It has an interesting setting called Ambient. All right. You can turn this on or off. So if you really want to be alone with your music, turn it off. If you want to be able to hear what's going on around you, turn it on. We'll see how that works. There is a little right and left, R and L. I don't know if you can see that on the video. And for myself, I think I probably put a little paint mark on there or something for right and left, so I don't have to try and read that every time I put them in. All right, I just tried it out. My phone is an Android phone. It's a Google Pixel 3 XL. I like it a lot. And I don't use the original music player. I use a music player called Rocket Player. Rocket Player has some equalizer and volume, of course, and left-right adjustments in it. You will be using all your adjustments, including volume, on your phone. This doesn't have a volume adjustment on it, but once I set my phone to a setting that's called small speakers, they should really just call it earbuds, but small speakers, then I could get some bass. If you don't have that setting, you're not going to get much bass out of these. But if you do, you're good to go. So I like them. I'm going to take them to the gym today and get sweaty on them and do a workout. And if I have anything further to say on this, I will post it up on my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel, Froggy's Garage. It's mostly automotive, but I do everything else that I think my subscribers will find interesting. And I did find these interesting because, as I said, I go to the gym every day, so I use music a lot. Give me a thumbs up or like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe, have fun, and click on notifications if you want to hear or see more videos. Okay, Froggy out. Bye-bye.